Hello friends, welcome to this session. So in this session we are going to understand how we can integrate Jira with a Jenkins. I want to create the Jira ticket using a Jenkins job status. So I want to populate a data over the Jira while I run my Jenkins job. So this is a pretty cool topic and majorly people are asking how we can integrate Jenkins with Jira. So in this complete session we are going to understand how Jenkins integration part is working with the Jira. So what are the configuration part, how we can create a job, and at last we see the creation of the Jira ticket. So you can see the tickets here which is created using the Jenkins job. So let's try to understand how we can achieve this goal. So let's make a simple note what we have to achieve in this session. So what we need, so we need Jira, we need Jenkins, and that's all. So how we want to use the Jira Jenkins? Let's try to understand. Let me increase the font size here. Okay. So in Jenkins and Jira both side we will understand. So let's try start from the Jenkins. So here I'm going for Jenkins. Let's ignore the job right away. So let's understand which plugin we have to use here. So I'm just going to the plugin and what plugin I have installed. So let me show you the plugin which I have installed here. So I have installed Jira pipeline steps here. So this plugin we have to install. So let me copy this plugin name here. So this plugin we need. Jira pipeline steps. So once you install this plugin, you have to go on configuration part, and in the manage Jenkins side, you can go in the configure system. So before try to configure, let's again come back to our note. So what we need apart from this configuration, we need a admin access where you can install. You have the privilege to install plugin and configure. So in the both side you need the same. Okay. Let's go the global configuration. That's the configuration part. So we move to the configuration. In the configuration, we'll go the Jira steps. So in Jira steps, so how we will do here? So we will create a Jira site here. So I given the name is ABC. This is my Jenkins URL. You can see this is my Jenkins URL. This is actually deployed over the cloud, Jenkins cloud. Jira cloud. So this is Jira deployed over the cloud. So Jira software are deployed over the cloud. So we have given the URL here, taking the connection timeout and read timeout as a default, and the basic and the credential both are deprecated by the Jira. So if you configure with the basic and credential, it will give the immediately a error message. So you have only one option. You have to configure OAuth configuration. So while configure OAuth, you have to pass the different configuration: consumer key, private key, secret, and token. So these four types of configuration you have to pass. So from where to get this configuration part? So I will say the same how we can configure here. So there is a one configuration link how to configure OAuth or the REST authentication. So here all steps are given by the Alta-HCM Jira only. So you can follow these steps. You can define your creating a public key and private key. You have to upload the public key over the Jira server, and at last while connection you will do, so you get the configuration like this, and at last you have to approve your configuration. Post that you will get the ID, so verification code ID, and you will get the secret key. You will get the access key. So this access key we will use here in the configuration. So now you get the consumer key, private key, secret key, and token key. All this configuration you will get from this while you follow these steps. Without following these steps, you will not get anything because you need this all configuration: the token ID, access key, token ID, secret, private key and consumer key. So this will, you have to follow these steps and you will get this 4 configuration. Once you do this configuration, you have to enable the test configuration. This will give the success. Until unless you will not get success, you cannot do any further configuration. So we got the success here, we got the OAuth configuration properly. Now we can move to our job. So I'm leaving here. One more things, while configuring OAuth, you have to go on the account side, and in account you have to configure your product side. So while you will follow these steps, you will get the all steps how to configure OAuth over the Jira. Now our job is configured. Let me go for my job here. So let me show you the configuration part here. So in the configuration part, we are giving the Jira server name, which we have given the site as a site. So this is the ABC is my site where we have given our configuration part. So where I want to configure, so there is a different configuration. So I'm using the Jira new issue. You can take the different configuration over there. So there are many other configuration where you can populate the different information. Even you can create a version, you can create a component. But here we have taken the example of the creating new issue. So creating new issue, we are passing the new summary, the description and ID, project ID. This is project ID and this is the issue type. If you want to configure project ID, you can simply change here and issue type. Like if you want to create the bug, if you want to create an issue, if you want to create a task, subtask, epic, whatever, you can change your issue type here. And we are passing the Jira new issues, and here the test issue is the information we'll collect from here and we'll pass to the Jira new issues. And this is the site where Jira will be creating. So let's save this one here. Let's go back to our Jenkins. I'm just running here. So this is job 9. So job 9 will be created here. Okay, job 9 is successfully run here. You will get the message from it's a successfully 201. So this is created here, and the POC 4 is our new key. So till here POC 3 was there. Let's go back. Let's refresh this page. We will get the POC 4. So this is POC 4 which we have created using the Jenkins. If you change here the description, you will simply get the updation from here only. Let's change the description here. So I'm changing here. We are passing some identical word. So I'm just passing here double hash. Let's save this one. Let's rerun. So this will create here the 10, 11, and now let's refresh this one. Okay, we have to go back. And let's refresh this page. This looks bit slow because this is the cloud base. Okay, so we got the 2 more bugs. This is actually a task, and if you see the description has been changed with the double hash. So this can be created, any information you can populate here. If you want to pass a component, reporter, you can do that, all these things. So this is very simple. You have to just go through, understand how we can configure. Just remember you have to install the plugin and do the basic configuration, because this is Jenkins Jira pipeline integration, so you have to configure as a pipeline. Jira side, there is no more configuration. You just need a admin side and you have to configure the OAuth configuration. So OAuth configuration, you have to follow these steps. So this is a pretty straightforward technique, but you have to follow these steps. And this is basically you have to configure in your local system, how you can configure. And this all steps given by the Alta the user guide. So you can follow these steps, and this is pretty straightforward configuration. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.